how to fix notes feature not showing or not working on your Instagram. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to the apps like this. Now you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. After that, scroll until you find Instagram, click on it and then click on the storage. Now click here on this clear data option and clear cache. Go back again and this time I'll go to the settings, open the wireless and network and enable the airplane mode and then wait a few seconds and disable it again. And now last thing you want to do is update your Instagram on Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.